Very, very pleased to be here today and to have the opportunity to speak with you. I appreciate the invitation. As the administrator of the only federal agency with an explicit focus on cooperatives, it is a particular pleasure to speak with the Federation today. The Rural Business, that's right. The Rural Business Cooperative Service is the lead agency for the interagency working group on cooperatives. And that includes more than 20 federal departments and agencies along with some non-governmental groups. On 4 Fridays in July and August, we just held sector-specific meetings of the working group focused on food cooperatives, care cooperatives, environmental-related cooperatives, and cooperative conversions. One of the goals of this series of meetings is to develop a website that is a one-stop shop for information on cooperatives. And so I encourage you to visit our website, rd.usda.gov, and see cooperative links there to learn more. That website will be updated with information from those meetings in the near term. So I mentioned the food cooperative economy. The Rural Business Cooperative Service has a growing body of work supporting the administration's food systems work. We heard from Undersecretary Moffitt a bit about that already. Sorry, just almost lost my comments there. RBCS has a new grant program for meat and poultry processors, an intermediary lending program for nonprofit lenders to help them provide capital to meat and poultry processors and to others across the food supply chain, and a new guaranteed loan program that operates across the food supply chain. These are just a few of a suite of programs and initiatives to help us a fairer, more competitive, and more resilient supply chain. I want to be clear, we intentionally designed these programs to be welcoming to cooperative processors, cooperative lenders, and other cooperatives. You can learn more about these and other programs and related policy work at usda.gov/build-back-better. So that's a bit about some of our new programs. For our existing programs, the ones that some of you may already be familiar with or have already seen, these continue to provide opportunities for cooperatives. For example, the World Energy for America program, or REAP, offers grants to agricultural producers and rural small businesses to make energy efficiency improvements, which can save money. For renewable energy systems, or energy audits, renewable energy technical assistance, and other kinds of activities. I mentioned that one in particular because it's one of the few places that RBCS can work with producers. Most of our work is post-production. We have our colleagues here who do work around production, but in some of our programs, a few of them, we do have some work where we can work directly with producers, and we want to make sure that y'all are aware of those opportunities. Also mentioned the Socially Disadvantaged Groups Grant, which provides support for technical assistance to socially disadvantaged groups through cooperatives and cooperative development centers. We're currently reviewing applications for that program and for the Rural Cooperative Development Grant, which I know the Federation has been a recipient of in the past. So I was going to close there, but I just want to mention a couple of the things, just given the prior conversation. We think a lot about equity here. We have someone in our office who is our